Okay, bago natin i-announce ang first placer, award muna natin yung certificate sa ating mga staff. Citation is Certificate of Boycott of the Philippines. Okay, sa Mindoro County. For having served as support staff during the conduct of the official Mindoro Conference 2025 held at Bugong Elementary School, Bugong National High School, Bugong Central Mindoro on December 4 to 7, 2025. Given this 17th of December 2025 at Bugong
Kita-kita ang blue pinabayaan eh.
Fred E. Magbanwa, PSA-ELP, OIC Council Scout Executive, Lloyda P. Adornado, PSA-66, School Division Superintendent, Council Scout Commissioner, and Honorable Eduardo P. Gazano, Governor, Council Chairperson. So this certificate is awarded to Scout Leader Marin P. Vitor.
Saan na tayo? Doon na po, ma'am. Sa may gym na po.
Sa kaliwa. Okay.
Tara na, bisa tayo. Alis ka dyan, Yahay. Ito yung sunod na video sa
Scout